AFA bundle. In this video, I will show you guys how you can buy your MTN AFA bundle. But first of all, you have to subscribe to this offer before you can use this code. Okay, so if you want to buy your AFA bundle, this is what you have to do. Just dial *1848# and then you send. Okay, then don't forget to like the video. Okay, then as you can see, 1 is buy AFA bundle and 2 is your notification. So you go to option number 1, which is buy AFA bundle. So these are the offers. AFA bundle, so 1 AFA bundle gives you only airtime. Okay, and then the AFA plus data bundle also gives you both the airtime and then the data as well. So this one, the third one, is what bundle for others. So if you want to say buy AFA bundle for other registered member, okay, you can use that option 3. So as you can see, so you just go to option 1 and then you see package gives you 200 minutes on net and 20 minutes of net. Okay, so you just hit on confirm, and with this procedure you should have an MTN mobile money number. That's what you are going to use to make your purchase. So you should first of all register for Momo Money before you can use this AFA bundle. See you in the next video. Bye bye.